I'm with Blake today, and I see this really cool paint booth, and I think to myself, there's got to be some hesitation in that part of the industry in the sense that I don't see it a whole lot. But Kawasaki, I've ridden their motorcycles, absolutely incredible company, and I have to learn more about how the paint booth works, what some of the hesitations might be, how it actually helps the customers accomplish what they're trying to accomplish in a significant way, but also with some simplicity. And we're gonna learn why you guys might wanna work with Kawasaki as a robotics industry as a whole. So Blake, thank you so much for being a part of MTD. I'm so excited to learn from you today.
I appreciate you making the time for me, so thanks for having me.
How could I not, man? You're an amazing person, and when I see something like this, I have to learn, and I know the global audience out there wants to learn more about it as well. So I guess let's first talk about Kawasaki as a company. And I mean, I'm walking around, I go, Kawasaki, heck yeah, I'll go hop on that motorcycle. But you guys do so much more.
Exactly right. People come to us and they say, dirt bikes, right? And we're like, yes, they have the cool toys. We've got jet skis. We've got everything you can imagine. But, you know, we also have the robotics team. And that's what you see here in our team with the paint robots and material handling. And we do complete systems, you know, for anything from the manufacturing process. We're willing to help out. We're more than just the jet ski or the fun consumer products. We have a lot more to offer.
Well, the consumer fun products are what we see trending all the time.
Yes.
But a large, if not the largest part of Kawasaki is this automation and aerospace and everything that you guys get involved with, right?
Exactly. So there's rail cars, there's shipbuilding, and like you said, 33% of most of our entire profit and revenue for a company is in aerospace, and most people would never think of Kawasaki as an aerospace supplier.
Yeah, I mean, that's a fair point, but also you guys are incredible, and if we don't think about it, then we're only missing out on ourselves, right?
Yeah.
Because you guys are a massive company around the world,
Yep.
but you feel, when someone works with you, you work really closely with them to make them feel like they're a part of either a family or the company as well, right? Let's talk now specifically on this paint situation. Now, I started this conversation off with, I bet there's some skepticism, or I bet there's some misconceptions within the industry that maybe we can open up and help people to understand today. It could be about the complexity of getting it started. It could be about just the fear in general of a painter getting into automated painting. So let's talk about what you have going on and how it can benefit.
Yeah, absolutely. So application, when it comes to liquid paint or processing like this, there's a lot of fears because there is a lot of variables involved. But the good thing about automation and what we do is try to eliminate those variables for the customer. Our job is to make it a seamless, easy integration. We want to take that fear away from you. We want to step through it and really make sure the process is self-explanatory, you can understand it, and we make it easy. So if you look at the booth, what we've kind of done is we have more than just a robot. We've kind of done the pre-engineering. We've done a lot of that integration to make it easier for the customer to say, hey, I have this process, I'm afraid of all of these factors, how can you help me? We make sure we integrate the application equipment to the robot, so we have what's kind of a ready to spray, a ready to paint process, where we can kind of stop from the fear of the booth environment. What's the material doing? Our job is to help you get through applying that onto your product at the end of the day.
Very, very cool, Blake.
Yep.
So I've only ever painted my bedroom walls or my house walls, and so I don't understand all of the complications that come with the chemical mixtures and making sure that everything is perfect, but you guys cater to that as well, right?
Yeah, absolutely, because everyone at the end of the day is painting different products, all with different needs, and they have different sizes and shapes. So what we've done with our packages is we have these positioners and value-add products that help put that part in front of the automation zone and really process it and paint it. And then as you can see, we work with a lot of partners that actually have the application equipment for whether it's a high viscosity material for more of a corrosion resistance, or if it's a cosmetic liquid paint. We work with these other partners and we kind of bring in those experts to support the customer at the end of the day.
Something I like to reiterate, and I probably say it too much with MTD, but I think it's important, is simplicity, reduction of fear, creating confidence. This is really, really what we're doing. And whether it be the automation from a paint booth, or you know, the automation for cars, or whether it be welding, or whether it be packaging, whatever it might be that we're getting into, we have to do those three concepts, right? Because we're connecting a world of, I've been hands-on my entire life doing this stuff, to I don't trust a robot, to I love this thing, and how do we get there?
Yes. So, and that's the goal. We know that you are an expert, you have trade skills that have made you successful in your own business, in your product, in your manufacturing process. Our job is to make that process repeatable, easy, integrate it into your existing system, and make sure you're happy at the end of the day. We take the expertise of you as the customer and we just tie it into the system. We want to take your trade secrets and what you've developed and just make it repeatable and automate it.
Well, normally at this point, because you've answered all my questions and conveyed such a powerful message to the global audience, I'd go, well, where's your website? How can we find you? But I think everyone knows how to find Kawasaki. However, if you'd like to go ahead and share it, go ahead and share it.
Absolutely. Just you can type it in like we've said, go to KawasakiRoboticsusa.com. You'll find all our contents and information there. The complete portfolio of our product line. Obviously, paint and dispense solutions are there as well, but it goes to arc welding, material handling, and palletizing. We offer a lot of range of products.
Blake, you were built for TV. You conveyed a very powerful message. I appreciate you sharing that with MTD's global audience, and keep doing a good job, man.
I appreciate it. Thanks for having me.